NVTS stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all day in the next 1 minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking and observing a Navitas Semiconductor stock, and it is not, like, let's put it this way, not the best bullish range. Having done the document well over thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel with 4.5 years of experience and 5 figures in courses and mentors, I have a lot of proof to back my stuff up. Here you can see even before, when the background was white, so therefore I had black drawings, I was just pumping it up downside to the downside, even here after I saw the second break. Since then it's been moving, so really for this to shift it must break above 364, and in the meantime, if I see this tapping inside my supply, if it gives me a double break, I'm going to look to take things lower. Simple. So let me know what is your opinion on this. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Nothing else that I must say, but yeah, stay tuned. Bosh.